My name's Ant Hagan and I'm an AR designer from the UK. I'm also a AR consultant for TLNT, Talent House stroke Reality House. The point behind these videos is not to look at huge effect builds, it's more to look at some of the building blocks and foundations of Spark projects and teach skills that you'll probably start to use over and over again in bigger project builds. So today we're going to look at screen tap with objects. We've looked at screen tap before, but now we're going to apply that to 3D objects. What's useful with this is it allows the user to be able to make decisions, potentially click on a switch or something in the effect that's going to change what they see, what they perceive. Okay, so basically what I've done, and I like to explain what's already in the scene before we get started. I've basically simply imported animal fox and potted plant. Now, to kind of forgo any confusion of how they got there, I'll explain that. Add asset. When this pops up, you can go to search AR library. This brings up another screen. Now, there's a whole host of things in here: music and sound, patch assets, blocks that you can import into your project. I just literally went to 3D objects, I picked a random fox and I picked a random plant and imported them in. So let's start with Mr. Fox. All you gotta do is simply drag him into the scene like so. Now he's big at the minute, so let's scale him down on the right hand side. 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. Here we go. Move him over here, out the way. Lovely Mr. Fox. Okay, so we're just going to build a really simple function in the patch editor just to show how this works. So we're going to need a screen tap, like so. We're going to put in a switch, and then we're going to need to bring the fox into the patch editor. So basically, once you have them selected, if you go up to the right hand side, you see this like so. And then if we go to simulate touch here, and we click on our screen, there we go. Where's he gone? He's back. Where's he gone? He's back. Really simple. So moving on, let's see what we can do with our potted plant. Again, drag the plant in. Again, he's going to be way too big, as you can see. Let's give him the same dimensions as Mr. Fox. There we go, and now we've got a nice potted plant as well. So if we move him over to the side, all we have to do now is, if we want to flick between the two, we just build a knot in a patch editor and then bring this guy in as well. So hit the visible button, brings him in, attach that there, and there you go. Simulate touch, plant, fox, plant, fox, plant, fox. You get the picture. Also, maybe you wanted to reveal something, you could put the fox behind the plant, but you get the kind of gist of this is going to be simulating what the user is actually doing, like tapping on the screen. So this is a simulation of what, so the uses for it are completely endless. Okay, well thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.